Are you ready?
Mr. Chair, I wish I can make a few clarificatory questions before we start. But these are prejudicial questions, Mr. Chair.
Later. Let's hear first from the principal witness this morning.
No, but these are prejudicial questions,
Okay,
Mr.
go ahead,
Chair.
go ahead.
Foremost to my mind, Mr. Chair, is the integrity, the impartiality, and the objectivity of the proceedings of this committee. Mr. Chair, you were interviewed on Billionario Channel by Miss Pinky Webb. Basahin ko po, sabi niya, Senator Ping, para sa inyo, sino ba ang sabihin natin worth it or dapat na ikonsidera na state witness na ipasok man lang dito sa Witness Protection Program? And you responded, at this point between Diskaya and Bryce Hernandez, Mr. Chair, question is, does the chairman has the prerogative or the right to make judgment?
No. That's my perspective, no? That's my personal opinion outside of the hearing or outside of this hall. So don't question my opinion.
I am not questioning your opinion, Mr. Chair, but you are the chairman of this committee.
Anyway, let's proceed with the
You are not interested in the prejudicial question that I am going to raise, Mr. Chair?
Go ahead, you raise your prejudicial
Kaya nga sinasabi ko sa inyo
You're
an
questioning my
investigator,
opinion.
we are investigating.
Away kagad tayo rito.
Mr. Chair, we are still
Hearing is suspended.
investigating.
Session is resumed. Mr. Alcantara, you proceed.
Thanks, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Alcantara, you proceed.
Sir,
I will register my continuing objection, Mr. Chair. I will question the objectivity of these proceedings if you will not allow me raise these points. Maybe in the plenary this afternoon, I will raise it.
Go ahead.
Perhaps,
Mr. Alcantara, you proceed with your statement.
Your Honor, okay lang po bang makapagbigay ako ng opening statement ko po?
Proceed.
Ano bang gagawin natin dito?